What's up, guys? It's Alex from StockTrading.com. It's 11 a.m. Eastern and done for the day. So pretty nice, smooth day today. Way better compared to yesterday. Today, I'm walking away with $1,300 profits on the day. An hour and a half of nice, chill work. All we have to do is look very closely for the clean opportunities. And today, the trade of the day goes to Tesla. So before I jump into how we traded it and exactly where we got in and where we took our profits, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications button. It'll all help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And you can stay in touch and stay up to date with the content that we publish on our channel. Let's jump right in. So Tesla takes the cake today. The reason why is Tesla. Let's pull up a daily, yearly chart on Tesla. You can see that Tesla is in a lot of trouble. You know, this morning, or actually, excuse me, the article came out yesterday, but, you know, Michael Burry has shorted Tesla and betted $500 million shorting against Tesla. Now, obviously, we learned after the fact because it was reported on his quarterly report. So somewhere in this time frame, Michael Burry made a big bet shorting against Tesla, and we just have to assume that he is killing it with that position. So he got it right, man. So if you don't know who Michael Burry is, look him up. Extremely famous for shorting the housing bubble back in the day. So Tesla is literally trading off of its 200 MA on the daily. It's trying to find some support here. Let me make an adjustment here on my chart. So there you have it, trading off of the 200, and it's trying to find some support, trying to find that balance, but it's struggling. A couple of things that I'm noticing with Tesla and the setup here. This is a bear flag formation. It's holding the lows that it's set back on March 5th. So 540 is really the key number I'm looking for on Tesla on the daily. I want to see if it can hold above that number. Here's some other factors that you've got setting up with Tesla as well. Let me remove this marker. You've got the 8 MA right here coming close to the 200. That's not good. You've got the 20 below the 50, right? So that's not good either. But I am going to look for really when the 50 starts to hook downwards, and if we start to see the 50-day moving average creeping closer to the 200, that is signaling trouble. That's going to be the death cross. We've still got days and weeks before it even gets close, right? Because you can see the 50-day is trading at 673.86. The 200 is at 587. So we're still ways away. But if Tesla is still trading in these lower levels, and if it breaks below 540, it's setting up for that death cross to occur. So keep an eye on Tesla. Keep an eye and let's see how it reacts on the daily chart. It needs a good catalyst to break out and to find support and for buyers to come back in to buy this dip. But we all know that institutional investors are rotating out of tech names. They're, you know, taking profits off of names like Tesla that have just had major run-ups. They have huge price to earnings ratios. More competition is coming into the EV market, so Tesla's in trouble. The fundamental story around the profit taking for Tesla is growing, right? But I'm a day trader. I don't invest in Tesla. I don't swing Tesla. I straight up just day trade it. So I knew Tesla was going to be in play today, and here's how I played it. So on the 5-minute, opening 5-minute, you can see that it struggled here. It struggled to pick a direction, but then this candlestick right here at 9:33. Oh, I'm looking at this on the 3-minute time frame. At 9:33. That reversal, that flagpole is what I really liked. So it broke out and then it traded against its 200 MA on the 3-minute time frame. And then we had a nice consolidation here, right? At around this point, that's when I bought 575 calls. I bought 575 calls, expiration next week. And I told myself, I'm gonna give it room to the lower end, right, of this flagpole, the 936 pole of candlestick. I'm gonna give it to that low, give or take, right? So we came close. Tesla came close to stopping me out, but I held on to it, and I held on to it for, let's see here, 14 minutes. I was in this trade for 14 minutes. I got in here and it broke out, right? Took quick profits, but then it consolidated again. So then I repeated that same strategy right here. And then this is where I got into the trade. This is where the payout really occurred, on this breakout. So that breakout here, the 1006, was the real breakout that I wanted. We went green on the day. I ended up taking my profits right here because that to me was exactly what I was looking for. I was in on a handful of contracts with Tesla and took my profits, and I was pretty much done. However, for a lot of the day traders that are in our live trading room, that are part of the premium subscription that we offer, where we make live alerts on the microphone and we're streaming our charts, they were in on the first trade with me on that first breakout. But for those who missed it, I told them we've got another setup occurring right here. So this breakout right here was a nice entry point if you missed the first trade right here. As a matter of fact, we obviously you can see that the charts are moving, so we are let's see here, Tesla is even setting up again on this really nice flag. So something that I like to do is I trade off of the 3-minute, but I like to look at the charts on the 5-minute as well. And we're having a nice bull flag here. So even on this very moment, what I would tell traders is this: go in on 590 calls, right? Look for that breakout, but place your stops at 584, right? So you see this flag right here, nice formation on Tesla. I like that a lot. And then the next thing I would do is I would want to look at the triple Qs, right? Let's see how this is weird. Let's see how the overall market is doing. Okay, triple Qs, what is it doing? Flagging as well. So if the triple Qs pushes, I would bet you that Tesla will get some juice behind it and push as well. So Tesla is even setting up for more breakout today. Another thing that I like to do is I like to look at level 2. Where are the sellers kind of getting ready to take profits? 590. I see 70 lot sellers at 590, and after that you don't see, there are really not that many sellers until 595. 600 you've got a good chunk of sellers. So right here I would tell our traders, go long. Let me actually tell the group right now. Tesla calls, looks good, stops 584. So I'm obviously recording, so I'm not on the microphone to tell them, but the Tesla calls right here looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. So there you have it, guys. That's exactly how we trade. We look for these key setups and we take the trade. Not every trade is going to work. There's risk behind it, but what's important is that you've got to always have in mind where your stops are going to be. There's the breakout. Boom. There you have it. So the call is good. New highs on the day. There you have it. So before I get into any trade, I always look at where are my stops. Where are my stops going to go? I'm getting some messages that some traders got in on trade, so they're nice. Okay, cool. Some people took it. So that was a nice live example. I could have taken the trade myself, but I was more focused about doing the recording. But that would have been a nice, easy money opportunity. There you go. So I gave the alert when the stock was trading at like around 589, and you're already trading 3 points above. So 100 shares, that's $300. Or if you took call options, depending on the expiration date, it could be a nice payout there. So Hey, if you've got any questions, comment below or write your questions below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know what trades you took, and if you traded Tesla today, what do you think about Tesla on the daily chart? Where do you think it's gonna go? And yeah, let's get at it. Let's make that money. Feel free to join our community. Our Discord is open to everyone. And if you want to check out our live trading room, our swing trading room, and our Forex channel, it's all part of one subscription. And you can check us out for a 3-day free pass. And if you love what you see, you can subscribe. Make money with us every single day. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Tesla is on a rip. We'll see you all tomorrow.